Okay, so one of my favorite things to do is applying stain and clear coat, because you're almost done at that point, and that's my favorite. So we're going to put some clear on, and don't forget, stay tuned to the end of this video for a very special tip that's probably going to save your shop one day. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so you're going to put some clear on. So your instincts are to grab a bristle brush. Don't do that, because now you have bristle strokes all through your project, and you'll never get them out no matter how much clear you put on. So instead, use a foam brush. Okay, use a foam brush. And that's going to make your project so much better. It's going to come out so much better for you. Let me get a couple rows here for you. Then I always like to take a long stroke all the way across. And that's going to make sure you got everything covered. Okay, let's give this guy a friend. Everybody needs a friend. Just kidding. There's another guy that did that. There. There we go. Long strokes. And you put these coats on, and I usually do 2 to 3 coats before I even sand. Just because one coat, if you sand after one coat, chances are you're just gonna sand everything off you just put on. Unless maybe you just use a small sanding block, but yeah. Okay, you ready for that special tip? This is going to save your shop. So, I know I didn't use any stain in this video, but I stained up this rag to show you. So if you're using water-based products, you don't have to worry about this. But oil-based, your rags, if you bundle them up, throw them in the trash, they can combust and cause a fire. So you don't want that. So here's the brush. Even though I just used water-based, we're going to pretend that it's not. So we're going to put that to the side. Put that to the side. Our rag, same thing. You're going to flatten it out and we're gonna let it dry. What happens is when it's bundled up, it's gonna create heat and the air can't dry it, and it's just a spontaneous combustion that's gonna happen. So we're gonna flatten it out, you're gonna let it dry, and then tomorrow, with your just a paint can, a little bucket, I keep some water in, just gonna throw that in there, put that in there, and you're good for 24 hours. After that, you're gonna toss it in the trash. Make sure you get rid of it on trash day. So that's your tip. I know you've probably seen it around, but we need to get the word out so no one has any accidents like that and burns their shop or their house. We don't need that. Thanks for watching.